Be ready, start. Any community that depends on outside agencies for its welfare is too inactive to look after itself. Every member of a community has to play an active role in the betterment of the quality of life in the community. Only awareness and education can make a community progress. Very often, available services are not accepted or utilized by the community because it is not aware of what is available, or when it does not see the importance of these things. The present thinking is to provide these essential services at the village level so that the community can learn about them and use them when necessary. Education of the community is very important for its participation in the process of rural development because its people will be the first to benefit. Such education can be imparted by men and women who should meet frequently to discuss developmental activities and their implementation. It will be necessary to have a resourceful person who will inform the group about how to obtain the required or available facilities. The needs of a village are many. They may be elementary medicines, drinking water wells, recreational facilities for children and adults, school building, proper drainage system, and so on. Volunteers and workers in the village may be able to undertake some responsibilities. Teachers or social works may instruct and explain facts about development to group meetings. The village community and local leaders should obtain the knowledge and information as to whom they should contact or approach to solve some of their more serious problems, such as serious illness, drinking water wells, and educational facilities. It is important for the community to understand that outside agencies will provide limited assistance and the people will have to make their own efforts collectively to solve some of their problems. Ultimately, it is necessary for the community to take interest in its own welfare and obtain services to which it is entitled and which are necessary for its development and progress. This needs community education desire on the part of its people to improve their condition and the will to do some of. There are many services and developmental activities which the government undertakes for the benefit of the rural community. It will certainly help the community if it keeps itself acquainted with the various developmental schemes being undertaken by government. Not only this, but the community should also make efforts of its own for its progress without always depending on outside agencies. The teachers are in a position to carry this message to the families and to the community around them and help to awaken their interest and ability to help themselves. Agencies helping in or undertaking developmental activities will do well to bear in mind that the success of these activities depends on the extent of community participation of such activities. Stop.